Six pack or dad bod? Beard or clean shaven?
Nice people are deceiving.
I like that one. Hairy chest or hairless? Bad boy or nice sweet guy?
Bad boy.
Bad boy. Come here. Okay. So you like bad boy?
Yes. Yes.
I'm just curious why. Singles or do you have boyfriends?
I don't do relationship.
What?
I don't do. I don't do relationship.
Why?
I don't know. I don't like responsibility, I just fling and yeah.
So you think having or being in a relationship it's a six pack or dad bod?
That bad.
Okay. How about beard or shave? Hold on. Not yet. She said shave. Okay. Beard or clean shaven?
Clean shaven.
So you want someone that
Yeah.
clean like that?
Kiss.
Oh, she said easy to kiss. Okay. How about this one? Hairy chest or hairless?
Hairless.
Okay. Bad boy or nice sweet guy?
Nice sweet guy.
Okay. So it's like you don't want someone who's hairy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't Okay. Are you single or in a relationship?
I'm single.
Single. How long have you been single?
6 months.
6 months. Okay. You're so pretty.
Thank you.
Six pack or dad bod?
Six pack po.
6 pack.
Beard or clean shaven?
Beard.
What did you say?
Beard.
I have to ask again. I thought you mean the thing. Well, how about you?
Clean shaven.
Clean shaven. Okay. How about hairy chest or hairless?
Hair chest.
I like hairless.
Hairless. Okay. How about this one? Bad boy or nice sweet guy?
Nice sweet guy.
Nice sweet guy.
Oh, no for bad boys.
No.
Six pack or dad bod?
6 pack.
Beard or clean shaven?
Clean shaven.
Okay, how about this one? Hairy chest or hairless?
Hairless.
Bad boy or nice sweet guy?
Bad boy.
Bad, wow. Why bad boy? Just,
Parang I could change him, ganon.
like you feel like, oh, is there, what do you call that? Like it's like a challenge or something?
I think so.
You can change him. Okay. What do you call this? Are you single or do you have a boyfriend right now?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
Been a while.
Are you looking for like a serious relationship?
Not really. I'm focusing on school.
Oh, okay. So you're in college, right?
Mhm.
Okay, I see. Why are you still outside? It's like it's gonna be 10 soon in the evening.
We're going out just like to withdraw money for dinner.
Wow, can we go? We're gonna have our dinner soon too. Hopefully after this interview. But yeah, six pack or dad bod?
That bad.
Six pack. Ooh. Beard or clean shaven?
Clean shaven.
Clean shaven. Okay. Hairy chest or hairless?
Hairless.
Hairless. Are you copying her?
No.
Okay, how about this one? Okay, how about this one? Bad boy or nice sweet guy?
Bad boy.
Oh, how about you?
Nice sweet guy.
Okay, so you have different answer. Okay, there's some like Filipinas tonight. They're really picking bad boys. I don't know what's with bad boys. What's your ages?
18.
18.
19.
Both are college students and singles or do you have boyfriends?
I don't do relationship.
What?
I don't do. I don't do relationship.
Why?
I don't know. I don't like responsibility, I just fling and yeah.
So you think having or being in a relationship it's what it calls a responsibility for you?
Yeah, and I'm not, I don't like responsibility because before I share.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
I don't my past fling, or they tend to like ask where I am like all the time, and I hate it when someone's bothering me. Like I just want to fling.
Maybe you just don't love the person that much. That's why.
No,
Judgmental. Okay.
it's not just for me.
No. But you had past relationships before. It's just that you felt like it's not for me this time.
Yeah, it's just I'm not ready for any responsibility and commitment. So yeah.
Any commit. And how about you? Are you single, Beth?
Yes,
Okay. Since birth, or you had boyfriend before?
I had.
Okay, that's nice. She's very cute. This one. Six pack or dad bod?
Six pack.
Okay. Beard or clean shaven?
Clean shaven.
Hairy chest or hairless?
Hairless.
Okay. So you really don't want someone who's okay, I see. How about this one? Bad boy or nice sweet guy?
Bad boy.
Bad boy. Come here. Okay. So you like bad boy.
Yes. Yes.
I'm just curious why.
They look nice. They look nice.
They look nice for you?
Yes. And they're funny.
They're funny. Oh, really? Because usually, like, like Filipinas, they would want someone like nice, but you like someone as like bad boy like that.
Nice people are deceiving.
I like that one. Okay, you're in college, right?
Yeah.
She looks like fairy, like her outfit and everything. But anyway, thank you so much, Beth. Thank you for having this interview with us. We really appreciate it. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections